welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Generally, we use curry leaves mostly for tempering, but today I'm going to share a wonderful curry leaf powder recipe that you can enjoy along with your idlis and dosas. Now, this is a very simple recipe. You can make the powder and you can bottle it. So let's get started and check it out. Here are all the ingredients needed for the recipe. I have taken a big bowl of curry leaves. These are nice fresh curry leaves that have been cleaned and dried up. For this recipe, we have to dry roast all the ingredients without adding any oil. To a white pan, add 3 tablespoons of Chana Dal, 3 tablespoons of Urad Dal and roast it to a nice golden brown color. Roast the dal on medium flame so it will turn to a nice golden color gradually, and this will increase the shelf life. Once the dal has come to the desired color, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 red chillies, about 4 to 5 small bits of tamarind. Next, add about 5 cloves of garlic and roast it all on medium-low flame. As you can see, all the ingredients are roasted well. Now let's add the curry leaves. Wow, I'm really enjoying this fresh aroma of curry leaves. As it's getting roasted, it gives a very nice aroma. So we're going to continue to roast the curry leaves till all that moisture is evaporated and the color has changed and it becomes a bit crispy. As you can see, the curry leaves are roasted well. At this stage, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, that is Hing, and mix everything well. So if you check and see, the curry leaves are nice and crispy at this point. So turn off the stove and transfer all the ingredients to another plate and cool it completely. Once cooled, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind everything to a nice fine powder. Let the powder cool completely. Once cooled, you can bottle it in an airtight container and store it. So I have prepared some nice hot mini idlis here. So we're going to make some nice podi idli using the curry leaves powder. To a white pan, add 3 teaspoons of sesame oil or ghee. Add the prepared mini idlis and toss it in the oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground curry leaves powder and mix well. Add the required amount of curry leaves powder depending on the quantity of idlis you've taken. So the curry leaves podi idli is done now. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. The ghee will enhance the flavors and you can serve it nice and hot. This podi idli can be enjoyed for a nice evening tiffin, or you can also pack this for your kids' lunch boxes. The curry leaves podi goes very well with hot idlis and dosas and also with some nice hot steaming rice. Now I have made several recipes with curry leaves as a base. I'll give you the links in the description. Do check them out. So there you go, I've bottled the curry leaf powder. You can see, make sure you follow all the steps correctly to get it perfectly. So now it's time to taste. I have the mini idlis here that I just made. Oh, they look so yummy. Look at that, coated perfectly with that powder. Perfect. It's just so delicious. The powder tastes fantastic with the flavors of the curry leaf and all the other nice spices and the tanginess and the saltiness. Everything is perfect. So you can see this is a nice way to enjoy the curry leaf and its benefits. Now I'll give you a couple of links to the other curry leaf recipes. Do check them out. Do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.